Welcome back to Let's Learn Commerce Financial Accounting MCQ session. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ക്രെഡിറ്റ് ബാലൻസ് ഓഫ് ബാങ്ക് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഇൻ ദ ക്യാഷ് ബുക്ക് ഷോസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ഓവർ ഡ്രാഫ്റ്റ്, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ക്യാഷ് ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റഡ് ഇൻ അവർ ബാങ്ക്, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ക്യാഷ് വിഡ്രോൺ ഫ്രം ബാങ്ക്, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി നൺ ഓഫ് ദീസ്. ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ഓവർ ഡ്രാഫ്റ്റ്. Next question. The periodic total of sales return journal is posted to option A sales account, option B goods account, option C purchases return account, option D sales return account. Answer option A sales account. Next question. Total of these transactions is posted in purchase account. Option A purchase of furniture, option B cash and credit purchases, option C purchase return, option D purchase of stationery. എന്താണ് ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി purchase return. Next question. When any entry is made on the both side of cash book is called as option A general entry, option B double entry, option C compound entry, option D contra entry. Answer option D contra entry. Next one. Which one of the following affects cash book during a period? Option A recording depreciation expense, option B declaration of a cash dividend, option C write off an uncollectible account receivable, option D payment of an accounts payable. Answer option D ആണ് payments of an accounts payable. Next one. A company issues check to pay accounts payable. The effect of the transaction is to option A increase assets and liabilities, option B increase assets and decrease liabilities, option C decrease assets and liabilities, option D increase assets and stockholders equity. ഇവിടെ ചെക്കിൻ്റെ സ്പെല്ലിംഗ് തെറ്റിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ചെക്ക് തന്നെയാണ്, ബാങ്കിൻ്റെ ചെക്ക് തന്നെയാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. ആൻസർ എന്താണ്? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ്, ഡിക്രീസ് അസറ്റ്സ് ആൻഡ് ലയബിലിറ്റീസ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. A check received and paid into the bank on the same date is recorded in the option A bank column of the cash book, option B cash column of the cash book, option C both the cash and bank column of the cash book, option D none of. Answer option A bank column of cash book. Next one. Which of the following item is not included in the cash book? Option A purchase of rupees 10,000, option B sale of rupees 5,000, option C received cash from Salman rupees 2,000, option D credit sales of rupees 2,200. Answer option D credit sale of rupees 2,200. Next question. A check received on 12th of December dated 25th December is considered as option A bank, option B cash, option C liability, option D revenue. Answer option B cash. Next one. Overdrawn balance of cash book is recorded on option A if debit or credit balances are not mentioned will be overdrawn balance, option B if mentioned overdraft balance then it will be debited on the debit side of the cash book, option C is credited if the balance is mentioned as an overdrawn balance, option D none of above. Answer option C is credited if the balance is mentioned as overdrawn balance. Entry representing the reversal or cancellation of an entry on the other side is called option A closing entry, option B contra entry, option C bank overdraft, option D adjusting entry. Answer option B, contra entry. Next one, which of the following explains the impressed system of operating petty cash? Option A, weekly expenses cannot exceed a set amount. Option B, the exact amount of expenses is reimbursed at intervals to maintain a fixed float. Option C, all expenses out of the petty cash must be properly authorized. Option D, regular equal amounts of cash are transferred into petty cash at intervals. Answer option B, the exact amount of the expense is reimbursed at interval to maintain a fixed float. Next one, cash discount is provided. Option A, early payment. Option B, late payment. Option C, bulk purchase. Option D, bulk sales. Answer option A, early payment. The debit side discount column of 3-column cash book is called option A, trade discount. Option B, cash discount. Option C, discount allowed. Option D, discount received. Answer option C, discount allowed. Next one, the balance of petty cash is option A, an asset. Option B, a liability. Option C, an expense. Option D, an income. Answer option A, an asset. Next one, all of the following are not considered cash except option A, postage and stamps. Option B, securities. Option C, investments. Option D, check. Answer option D, check. Next one, the total of discount allowed column in cash book is posted to option A, debit of the discount received account. Option B, debit of the discount allowed account. Option C, the credit of the discount allowed account. Option D, the credit of the discount received account. Answer option B, the debit of the discount allowed account. Next one, which one of the following payment is made from petty cash? Option A, purchase of non-current asset. Option B, payment to creditors. Option C, cash deposited into bank. Option D, payment of postage and telegram. Answer option D, payment of postage and telegram. Next one, a simple or 1-column cash book usually has which of the following main columns? Option A, bank. Option B, payments. Option C, discount. Option D, cash. Answer option D, cash. Next one, purchase of office equipment for cash will be recorded on the which of the following sides of a cash book? Option A, receipts. Option B, payments. Option C, incomes. Option D, expenditure. Answer option B, payment. Next one, cash discount is allowed on repayment of debt. Option A, lump sum. Option B, prompt. Option C, actual. Option D, none of the above. Answer option B, prompt. Next, payment of rent expenses is recorded on which side of cash book? Option A, receipt. Option B, payments.
Answer
option C,
option B,
income.
payments.
Option D, expense. Next question, drawings by owner of business are generally recorded on which of the following side of a cash book? Option A, receipt. Option B, payments. Option C, incomes. Option D, expenditure. Answer option B, payments. Next one, a cash book that is used to record the small payments of cash is generally referred as option A, simple cash book. Option B, 2-column cash book. Option C, 3-column cash book. Option D, petty cash book. Answer option D, petty cash book. Next one, personal accounts are related to option A, assets and liabilities, option B, expenses, losses and incomes, option C, debtors and creditors. Answer option C, debtors and creditors. Next, recording is made in journal proper of option A, opening entries, option B, closing entries, option C, adjustment entries. Answer option D, all of the above. Next one, dash is not a subsidiary book. Option A, purchase book, option B, purchase return book, option C, sales book, option D, ledger. Answer option D, ledger. Next one, which of the following may have both debit and credit balance? Option A, only cash column of the cash book, option B, only bank column of the cash book, option C, both cash and bank columns, option D, neither cash or no bank balance. Answer option B, only bank column of cash book. Next one, a dash is sent to supplier when we return goods. Option A, debit note, option B, credit note, option C, pro forma invoice, option D, none of these. Option A, debit note. Next question, loss of goods by fire should be credited to option A, sales account, option B, loss account, option C, profit and loss account, option D, purchases account. Answer option D, purchases account. Next question, goods worth rupees 7,000 were given away as a charity would be credited to option A, sales account, option B, purchases account, option C, charity account, option D, trustees account. Answer option B, purchases account. Next question, another name of journal is option A, specialized journal, option B, day book, option C, cash book, option D, record book. Answer option B, day book. Next question, transactions that a business does not record in any specialized journal are recorded in which of the following journals or day books? Options A, cash payments journal, option B, cash receipts journal, option C, purchases return journal, option D, general journal. Answer option D, general journal. Next one, sales on credit is recorded in which of the following journal? Option A, purchase journal, option B, sales journal, option C, purchase return journal, option D, sales return journal. Answer option B, sales journal. Next one, the discount which is calculated on the list price of the goods is called option A, cash discount, option B, rebate, option C, discount, option D, trade discount. Answer option D, trade discount. Next one, the column of the journal that is used for recording the page number of ledger accounts is known as option A, referring column, option B, posting reference, option C, entry number, option D, ledger number. Answer option B, posting reference. Next one, which of the following best describes the trade discount? Option A, it is different from cash discount. Option B, it is a reduction in list or retail price. Option C, it is not recorded in the books. Answer option D, all of the above. Next question, the cash discount is given is debited because it is option A, revenue of the business, option B, an expense of the business, option C, a liability of the business, option D, an asset of the business. Answer option B, an expense of the business. Next question. The cash discount received is credited because it is option A liability, option B an expense, option C an asset, option D an income. Answer option D an income. Last question. Which of the following specialized journal records goods returned by customer? Option A purchase journal, option B sales journal, option C purchase return journal, option D sales return journal. Answer option D sales return journal. Thank you.